When establishing a navigation in our project, there's one thing that we need to take into account, which is the organization of our files. First thing is to make sure that our files are all in the same folder, that the names are simple and short, that way we can memorize them and make the connections correctly. And we're going to establish our navigation first inside of the index file. Once we know that the navigation is functioning, we can copy paste that navigation to all our other files. By opening the index file, we're going to look for the position where we are going to start our navigation, and we start coding. Remember that the correct name for links is anchor. So I'm going to start by establishing my anchor tag, followed by the attribute hyperreference. I'm going to start by creating a link, a hyperlink, to the index file. I'm going to type the text that we are going to be clicking over, which is going to I'm going to call this home page, and I'm going to close that anchor. We follow a similar process for the other pages. When we type the value, we need to make sure that the name of the file and the extensions are the correct ones. Once I type my navigation, I'm going to save the file, and I'm going to test the file in my browser. I'm going to use Firefox, and what I have over here is the extension of my navigation. As you can see, it's all together as one continuous line, and although it's going to be functional, I don't want to have all my links look like one continuous line, so I'm going to make modifications. A simple solution is separating the links with a vertical line. That way there will be a small separation. I will save this and refresh the page. Here we have it. Once we test the navigation and make sure that all the links are correct, I'm going to copy this and paste it on all my other pages. Then I'll go back and test all the pages to make sure that they're linked correctly.